Step into a Slim Jim! Black belted me. I am sorry. We are playing a relay race, and Fetty's kidneys are not well. We started a GoFundMe for his kidneys. Step into a Slim Jim! So this is teams. It is me and Nigel versus me, Fetty, and...
Where'd he go?
So you have to hold a Slim Jim, and it's a relay. So the first trick is a kickflip down the 3 that will be done by Fetty and Nigel, who doesn't know how to kickflip. Then he passes the Slim Jim to the next person, which is manual edition. Me and Carlos, kickflip, manual, kickflip out. And yes, you have to be holding the Slim Jim. If you drop it, that does not count. Then we will pass the baton back to stairs skaters, and it will be tray flip the 5. Then pass the baton back to manual skaters, and we will do nose grind, nollie flip the ledge. And then after that, we will pass it back to the stairs skaters.
We back 3 to the Braille drop.
And they will do a blunt to fakie on the mini ramp. And then they will pass it back to us, and we will do kickflip back tail on the same ledge that we nose grind nollie flipped.
I'm here to call rebates, right? Like if it's sketchy, I can call a rebate?
Well, you're wearing that shirt.
Yes.
Step into a Slim Jim!
Did you know I can juggle?
Okay, take your positions. On your marks, get set, go!
Relay race has begun! Come on, Carlos, get it together! Yeah, Nigel! Why?
I literally hate this trick with all my might.
I think you picked the wrong teammate.
It wasn't my choice, it was picked for me. But I love Nigel. We got this, Nigel, we got this.
Uh-oh! 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 Get back there! He touched! He touched at the end! I'm sorry, Carlos tapped his wheel at the very end. I'm calling a rebate. Oh, he's snagging you! Aaron, you're up!
I haven't done this for so long. Oh no.
Oh, come on, Aaron.
Oh, my body.
Aaron, go faster.
This is intense.
The pressure's on. This is like Carlos's trick right here. It is.
Who's this for? Wow.
Should I eat it? Yeah, I eat it.
Oh, great.
I love Slim Jims.
Find your happy place, Gilmore.
My legs don't feel good at all.
This is your trick.
You can get it right here.
Oh, this is right.
That's so nice.
This is so nerve-wracking, this whole thing.
Exhaustion. Exhaustion is fully set in. This is a tough relay race. The tricks are not easy.
Oh, there it is! Boom!
It's the Slim Jim.
Next relay.
Fetty, you're up! It's down to the wire! Oh! You have to kickflip back tail! Kickflip back tail!
Woo! That was tough. It's just been a long time since I've nose grinded, nollie flipped. I was like ending it on the trampoline backflip, and then he was like, no, kickflip back tail. And I was like, oh, forgot.
What are you doing? Added the kickflip.
I know, I completely forgot.
What are you doing?
I was like, oh, we won. All right, well, that was super fun. Step into a Slim Jim. Now we're gonna do round 2. All right, so we're going to do another relay. This is relay round 2. We're switching the teams up. The first trick is a backside heel over the hip. Then they will pass it off to the opponent, and the second trick is a
double flip up the Euro.
double flip up the Euro. Then they will pass the baton, snap into a Slim Jim off to the next person, and they will do
front
a
50, back 180 down the hubba.
front 50, back 180 down the hubba. You guys sure? You guys sure? You picked that trick, okay. And then they'll pass it to us. We will do kickflip nose manual.
Yep.
Then we will pass it back to them. They will do a
5-0 fakie.
5-0 fakie. What does that even mean?
On the mini ramp.
Then they will pass it back to us. We will do kickflip front 5-0 to end it off. Hopefully our legs will survive that long. We will need some Slim Jim to get us through this.
Yes.
On your marks, get set, go.
That's it.
Good game. The relay race champion.
Probably go stop him.
I knew that 50 back 180 was like, what are they thinking?
I mean, they agreed on all the tricks.
I know.
Fetty, you're an animal for doing that.
Animal Fetty.
Why?
No, it was just a scary trick.
Oh.
Team Captain Kyro won 2 out of 3 times.
All right, well, that was a blast. I actually had a lot more fun doing that than I thought. I got really stuck on that nose grind nollie flip. I just haven't done that trick for a while, and it really threw me. But it was good because FETTY was getting thrown by the tray flip at the same time, so we were both kind of like, ah. And then finally I landed it. And then the good thing was the kickflip back tail came second try.
That was actually money.
Was money, right?
Yeah.
And then the second round, I felt like I was more warmed up, so it was easy. Just boom, straight into the kickflip nose mani, whatever, kickflip 5-0. Unfortunately, Nigel tweaked his foot on the 50-50 backside 180 out, so dang, they were out of that one. Anyways, that was super, super, super fun. A huge thanks to Slim Jim for sponsoring this video. We had a lot of fun with these, doing the relay race. It's great to come up with new, fresh ideas like this, so a huge thanks to Slim Jim. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have as much fun watching it as we had making it. Click right here to go to all the other videos in the playlist. Click right here to go to brailleskateboarding.com, your resource to learn how to skateboard, which you guys should. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, each and every one of you. You guys are the best. Please subscribe, click that like button, leave that comment below, share this video, favorite it, and I will see you in the next upload tomorrow, 10 in the morning. I'll see you then.